Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start lecture number 2 from the Rightly Guided Caliphs. Yesterday we studied about the background of Rightly Guided Caliphs and other things. So yesterday we also studied about the life of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq before his caliphate. Today we are going to study about his that how he was elected as a Khalifa, election as Khalifa of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. If this question is over there in the exam, you need to follow some important steps. I gave you earlier a sketch that how you can understand the topics, how you can memorize the things, and how can you write a proper answer. You need to follow the specific method. So what is the method? Number 1, there must be a start of 2 to 3 lines in the beginning, which will help the examiner to understand, to make a mind about your answer. Then whatever you are going to write, you need to divide information in different paragraphs, and each and every paragraph must have a heading. The heading must be in your mind, not on the paper. So you need to divide the information into different headings and write down detail of each and every heading in your answer, but information must be in proper order. Okay, let's start the answer. Election of Hazrat Khalifa is the one of the important event happened immediately after the death of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and Abu Bakr Siddiq, he became the Khalifa of Islam. Okay, this is your start. Now you need to write down the answer in paragraphic form. First of all, you need to write down the condition. After the Prophet's death, there was a chaos and disorder in the Muslim community. Muslim could not believe that Holy Prophet has left this world. He just died away. Even the main companions like Hazrat Umar, he also got astonished. He bring his sword out and he said, if anyone say that Holy Prophet had just died away, I'm going to kill him. So that was the issue. That was the condition of Medina at that time. So Abu Bakr Siddiq, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Abbas, and other people from the family of the Holy Prophet, they were in the house of Hazrat Aisha, where Holy Prophet died. So during that, when they were over there, they were thinking about the burial process of the Holy Prophet. On the other side, the people of Ansar, they were sitting, they were having a conversation in Saqifa Bani Sada, where they were discussing about that how should be the next Khalifa. So they are having a heavy argument over there in the Saqifa Bani Sada. So the Ansar used to think that actually because we have sacrificed everything for the sake of Islam, so that is why office of Khilafat, a leadership, should be given to us, that we deserve this because we are the people who protected Muslims, we are the people who gave them refuge, and we helped the Muslims from the beginning. So when a person came to Abu Bakr Siddiq, when he was in the house of Hazrat Aisha near the mosque, he told him the whole story that you need to immediately go to over there. So without any delay, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, Hazrat Umar, and Hazrat Abu Bakr bin Jarrah, they immediately, without any delay, they left the apartment of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and they went to the Saqifa Bani Sada. So basically it was a custom within the ark that no new leader must be chosen as soon as possible in order to make things in a proper way, so that actually everything run in a smooth way, in the proper way. So Ansars used to say, when Abu Bakr Siddiq reached over there, he saw that people are having argument over there. Then the people of Ansar also knew that actually Prophet was from Quraysh, and people of Makkah will not accept any other person as their leader. So Ansar said there must be 2 leaders, one from Quraysh and one from Ansar. So this is how the leadership or the Khilafat or the ruler must be divided equally, that one from Ansar, one for Quraysh. But Hazrat Umar strongly objected that. He said actually how this is possible that there will be 2 leaders for a country, for a Islamic community. So he strongly opposed that suggestion, because this is going to destroy the unity and solidarity of Islam. So then Abu Bakr Siddiq, actually he knew that actually situation. He spent his time with the Holy Prophet. He said the Holy Prophet advised that Khalifa, a successor, will be from the Quraysh. Then he took the hand of Hazrat Umar and said, you know him, you know that person, Hazrat Umar, he's from Quraysh, he's well deserved person, you can choose him as your successor. But Hazrat Umar refused to do that. Then Hazrat Umar took the hand of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and said, this is your Khalifa, you know him well. Then he showed the allegiance to him. Immediately after him, Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah also showed the same activity. He also showed the pledge on the hand of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. So the Ansar, actually they knew the personality of Abu Bakr Siddiq, that how much he was close to the Holy Prophet, loyal, devoted, passionate towards each and everything. So this is how the Ansar also started to show their allegiance to Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. So next day, a common bath was taken within the Masjid Nabawi, in which actually Ansar and all Muhajirin took the oath on the hand of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, except the few people. But later on, they also took the oath on the hand of Abu Bakr Siddiq. So this is how Abu Bakr Siddiq, he was elected as a Khalifa of Islam. People used to call him Amir. So there are many references, there are many events which showed his role, character and status within the Islamic community. You need to write down few of them. Okay. In the end, he also made a speech which shows his intention and determination towards his office. So Abu Bakr Siddiq, this is how Abu Bakr Siddiq became the Khalifa of Islam immediately after the death of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. So my dear students, you need to read from the both books of Frkhanda Noor Muhammad and Dr Saqib and try to add each and everything which might be beneficial for your answer. The most importantly, you need to improve your language as well, because language is going to help you a lot to understand, to elaborate each and everything in a proper way. Okay, tomorrow inshallah we are going to start lecture number 3. Until then, Allah Hafiz.